Good day and hello. I am now presenting the third part of my activity. By the way, I am Angelo Gamara, a DIT student at St. Paul University, Philippines. And my presentation is about Information Security Audit Process. On my previous video, I discussed risk assessment, the objectives and process pertaining to IT audit, risk management, and risk treatment. In an organization, having information security policies and procedures is not adequate enough for an assurance that organizational information assets are well protected. The policies may not be sufficient, or the compliance with the policies may not be sufficient enough. For an assurance to be effective in achieving their objectives, a review must be performed. Thus, an audit is very significant in an organization, whether it's internal or external aspect, to check and assess the strengths and weaknesses and if they are in line with their objectives and attaining their goals. There are different types of audits, such as income tax audits, financial audits, efficiency audits, and when it comes to information technology, our focus points on IT audits and information security audits. So, what then is information security audit? Well, it is defined as systematic, measurable technical assessment of how the organization's security policy is employed. It is part of the ongoing process of defining and maintaining effective security policies. Security audits provide a fair and measurable way to examine how secure and stable our organization really is. A security audit may concentrate on specific applications, especially those that handle financial transactions, firewalls that control the access to system resources, computer systems that host sensitive data and applications, corporate networks, intranets or extranets for secure access, crucial policies and procedures, physical support systems such as fire alarms, fire exits, door lock and door access, electrical power systems, and emergency systems, among others. To give an overview on how information security audit process, we need to do the following steps. First is, identify security and compliance level in specific areas. The second one, identify gaps in areas where specific actions are required, needed, and recommended. This will define the possible threats the organization is facing. An example of this might be natural disasters, physical breaches, malware and hacking attacks, denial of service attacks, ransomware, malicious insiders, inadvertent insiders, phishing, and social engineering, to name a few. The third one is, make specific recommendations to achieve compliance. Clarify or correct deficiencies, whether it is minor or major. Also, reduce security risk. You may look the organization's past experiences, its current state, and its future plans, as well as how it can go with the current economic and social trends. The last one is, develop a recommended action plan with timeline, dependencies, and estimated cost. Once you establish the risk associated with each threat, you are up to the final step, creating IT security audit checklist of controls that you need to implement. Examine controls that are in place and devising a way to improve them, or implement processes that are missing. Common security measures that you may consider includes physical server security, regular data backup, firewall and antivirus, anti-spam filter, access control, user action monitoring, and employee security awareness. All deliverables should constitute a thorough assessment of current state of your security, as well as specific recommendations on how to improve things. The data from audit process is used to contribute in establishing a security baseline, as well as in formulating security strategy of the organization. The knowledge gained from information security audits can help the organization, particularly the top level of management, make a better decision on how to properly allocate budget and resources to mitigate risk. This will also serve as standards and guidelines to the organization's best practices to ensure that they are well protected. To finalize my presentation, I added our simple flow of information security audit process as part of our group activity. The animated image, which you can see by following the given link, exemplifies a baseline process on how an activity in our campus is being assessed and evaluated. Our group used a very handy web application for this, which is the Loopy, for sample simulation. You can try its introductive environment from a simple to complex presentation you wish to do. So that's my final presentation in Module 3, and my gratitude to all the resources I used in this activity. Have a wonderful day.